Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel PS Handmade Ideas. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how I make resin alphabet keychains. Disclaimer, I'm not an expert, I'm just a beginner. Having said that, let's get started with today's video. Some of the instructions you must follow while working with resin is cover your table with plastic, wear your mask, it's very important to wear mask for your health, wear gloves, and also work in a well ventilated area. This is the resin I'm going to use. I'll put a link of everything in the description box in case you want to buy it. I'm using spoon to measure the resin. You can use measuring scale for accurate result. Follow the instructions on your resin package. Mine is 2:1 ratio. Also follow all the safety instructions and always work with caution. Here I'm taking 1 spoon of resin. And half spoon of hardener. Mix it well until the resin will be clear. There may be bubbles, but if you let the resin set for few minutes before using, the bubbles will go away. This is the pack of glitter I'll use. It is a colored glitter so it can react with resin. You can see it is changing its color. This is the white glitter. Clean the mold before pouring the resin. You can see here how our blue glitter has become maroon. So here I am gently pouring the resin into the mold. It is very important to wear the gloves and mask throughout. I'm using this lighter to pop the bubbles. As a beginner, you can also use this lighter. Now keep it straight and in dust-free area and let it cure for 24 hours. It's been 24 hours and my resin has hardened. Here I am doing the unmolding, which is my favorite part. See how the color has changed into silver. It has turned out very beautiful. I'm very happy with the outcome. Now I'm using scissors to trim the edges. You can also use sandpaper for smooth finish. Now I'm using this hand drill to make hole in the keychain. Now insert the eye pin into the hole like this. This is how I make keychain. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.